boys round here don't listen to the Beatles run. Old Bo Cephas threw a jukebox needle at the honky-tonk where they boot stomp all night. What?
That's right.
Yeah, and what they call work a digging in the dirt. Gotta get it in the ground before the rain come down to get paid, to get the girl in your four-wheel drive. Yeah, the boys round here talking about girls, talking about trucks, running them red dirt roads out, kicking up dust. The boys round here sending up a prayer to the man upstairs. Backwoods legit, don't take no lip.
Let's go.
I like the corn, that's all. I just planted that the whole day. I love my corn. Thank you, God, for making this good weather and to make my corn grow.
Nature Trackers hiking part 2. Here we go. Oh, by the way, our cucumber plants have grown a bit. They're taller than me. They're like 60 feet. If you ever get lost while you're out there, exploring nature, just stick out your thumb and wait for someone to pick you up.
Hey, buddy, can you hitchhike me?
Hitchhiking isn't always safe. My friend Joey will tell you why.
Since you get picked up by random strangers and sometimes there's weird. So when you hitchhike, you're supposed to know the people. But if you hitchhike and they're strangers, you just have to get out of the car because they're strangers and because it's against the law and because it's illegal.
Okay, so we came up with calls in case someone got lost. Here is it. It is. They're here! They're here!
If you find any cows, just start milking them and then drink their milk, okay? Because if they set them free, you'll find cows. Bye-bye.
We placed these dolls here to keep like wolves out of our sinkholes. Our sinkholes. And this Humpty Dumpty's just decoration.
We planted these berries for so when Grandpa Barry passes away, we remember him. And sometimes we feed them to random creatures so they die and they don't mess up our gardens and everything. Don't eat them. And these things are apples. We just keep planting them and planting and planting because we want to be healthy, don't we? And the pigs need to be healthy too, right?
Here you go.
So I'm gonna splash this on my head, but first safety check.
Hurt?
Nope. Way to go, way to go.
This is a crabby apple. Let's see how they taste. Yuck, they taste terrible.
They're good. I'm gonna eat mine.
Sometimes in life there's crossroads, and you should always take the road less traveled, which is this one. Which way should we take? Joey and Grandpa Barry?
This way.
They're taking the road more traveled. It seems like we're traveling in circles.
No, we didn't go here. No, yeah. My proper hiking stick. Right here we got a big old.
It's a buck, Joey.
Right here we got a daddy buck. Right here's footprints, and right here, you see that small footprints? That's a baby buck. I'm the grandpa. Wow. Come on, whippersnappers.
If you ever get lost in nature, nature, you should,
They're even taller than my dad. I'm gonna try smashing this on my head.
wait, safety check.
Ow.
Wait, no, we need to redo that. I gotta go safe. I found a red leaf.
Right here we got two footprints of okay, we start. Mess it up.
Ah!
We're trying to get the American goats out of here because we're in